Did you know that you could actually change the color of the inside of your Audi with ambient lighting? You can select from 30 different colors via the Audi MMI and adapt the color combinations of the contours and surfaces to your preference. Curious how to do so? Just watch this video and I will show you how to change the color of the inside of your Audi with ambient lighting. Go to the Audi MMI screen. Click on the car option and click then on lights and vision. To change the color on the inside of your Audi, click on background lighting. You will now enter a menu with multiple standard options with the exception of the individual option. To choose your own color, click on individual. You will now see the options, surfaces and contours. Click on the option that you would like to change. You will now see the menu where you could change the brightness of the lights, the color and the option whether you would like to light up the footwell and or the roof. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.